Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jill and I enjoy sharing different beauties, tips, tricks, and more. And today, as promised, I'm going to do another look out of the lookbook. And this is our holiday lookbook this year. So the color combination I'm going to be doing today is Holiday Bombshell. So I'm going to be recreating her look. And for today, I went ahead and I did already put on my CC cream along with my translucent powder. And I also have a little bit of concealer on, so I got everything ready to go so that I can just focus on the color look today. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you are enjoying my videos, please click like and subscribe. I'd love to have you come back for more, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start with the eyeshadows first today. And the first color that it calls for in the book is Biscotti, which is a really pretty base color. We're only going to be using 2 today, so you want to put the Biscotti all over the base of your eyelid from top to bottom and just fill it all in. Sometimes it takes a couple swipes to get it to the desired look that you would like. And I'm hoping that you can see that okay on the camera. This is a really pretty light look. I'm going to add just a little bit more to darken it up a little bit. Then I'm going to be moving on to the next color, which is also a very pretty color and very versatile, and this is Cinnabar. And Cinnabar has been around in Mary Kay for a long time, and it's super beautiful to complement with a lot of different looks. And even just having these 2 subtle eyeshadows today is going to create a really pretty look by the end. And here you just mostly put this one in the crease lines and along the bottom corners. And this is just going to add a little bit of enhancement to your eye. And you'll also want to do this to the desired effect that works for you, however dark or however light that you may like it to be in creating this look. And you can already see changes in the eye just doing something as simple as 2 eyeshadows. Mary Kay has endless possibilities of eyeshadows to mix and match together. We have some that may be limited edition that you can only get for a certain time, but can stock up on. And then we have our regular colors that are in line all the time that you're able to purchase. So I'm always happy to help you with any questions that you may have about colors or coordinating or things that you would like to put together. Feel free to just leave me a comment below and I'd be happy to help you. So next we're going to our black gel eyeliner, which for some people this can be a little intimidating. It has a little brush that comes with it, and it kind of requires a pretty steady hand to put it on. It is very pigmented and it is very lightweight, so it goes on really nice and easy. So as you see, you just put a little bit inside here. And if your brush hardens up a little bit, you can soften it with a little bit of warm water. I like to put a little bit on a paper towel or something after I place it in there just to make sure I get the excess off. And then for this look, you're going to line from the inner corner of your eye to the outer corner of your eye and make a light wing on the end. So as you see, I try to do it all within like one steady stroke if I can. And then you can go back to darken it or to add a bigger wing or whichever you prefer for the look. But again, I do stress it takes a pretty steady hand for this one. But luckily we have our micellar water and our eye makeup remover that if you do make a mistake with this, it's really easy to put one of those products in a Q-tip and then just touch up where you may have gone overboard or you want to make it a little shorter, whatever you choose to do. So the other side is not my strongest hand, so this is a little trickier. And then as you see, I noticed there was a little excess on there, so I went ahead and blotted it off. So bear with me, like I said, this isn't my strong hand. It's a little shaky, so the line is not going to be quite as smooth as I wanted the other one to be. And I just went ahead and extended the wing a little bit, but it did get a little bit thicker than the other side. which, like I said, I can always go back and touch up later. I like to do these demonstrations to let you know that there is no perfection in makeup, and sometimes we have to play with it a little bit to get it to exactly where we want it to be. But that really is the fun of it, to create different looks and decide what we like or what we may not like. So that one got a little thicker than I had wanted it, but for the video we'll leave it. So I went ahead and just tried to balance it out a little bit on the other side because I wanted a smaller wing initially. So it's just a little bit longer, and that's okay. I'm probably my own biggest critic anyway when it comes to putting on makeup. So there's the look so far before I get ready to add the mascara. And the mascara we're using today is the Ultimate Mascara. And this one is really good for separating the lashes. So I'm going to do a real light coat with this look today. I'm just going to put a little bit on the top of my lashes, on each side, and then I'm just going to go a little bit on each of the bottom lashes. And I'm not going to be real heavy on the mascara. The look doesn't call for it in the book. So I'm just going to go one coat. And I apologize for the mirror there. You can't really see what I'm doing on the eye that much, but you get the general idea. If you watch my videos before, you probably see me put on a lot of mascara. And I do have my favorites and my preferences, which I've talked about before. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the other side here. These little Mary Kay compacts really come in handy. You can take them anywhere. You can put them in your purse. They're so easy for on the go, and I love that they have a nice big mirror in them so that you can do, well, I'm really covering this tutorial today, aren't I? I do apologize. Normally I hold my mirror down a little bit. So there you can see the eye look coming together. So next, we are going to move on to the cheeks. And the color that I'm going to be using today is definitely lighter than my last video. This one is called Rosy Nude and is a really, really beautiful color. I enjoy using this one for a lot of my looks too. And if you watched my last video, I talked a little bit about how those colors wouldn't necessarily be the ones that I would choose for my skin tone, but I was covering a look. So today I feel like these colors definitely complement my skin a little better than the other ones. So today I'm going to review a lip liner with you, and I don't do that in all of my videos, but this is a little bit of a glamour look. So this is the Mary Kay lip liner in the color Berry. And again, you need a little bit of a steady hand, and then go into your Cupid's bow to make that little mark there. And then just go ahead and line your entire lips. That's one of the things I love about our lip liners and our eyeliners. They go on really easy and smooth. And this is a very pretty color. You could actually fill your lips in with a lip liner if you chose to. But today I'm going to be mixing two colors together for this look. The first color that I'm going to be using is a Mary Kay Gel Semi-Matte Lipstick in Berry Famous. And I'm using some of my samples today, so if you ever get a sample from me, this is what you will get. You will get one of the doe foot applicators in order to apply it. And they're very nice. And I do this sometimes if I don't have every color for the looks in my inventory, so it works out really well. So I'm going to apply this all over the first layer of my lips. So this will be like the base color for the look. And these go on nice and smooth, and these samples last a really long time. There's quite a bit in the package that you can use over and over again. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to switch to the next color. And this is a Mary Kay Gel Semi-Matte Lipstick, and this is going to be in the color Midnight Red. So once again, you just take a little bit out of the sample, and then I'm going to put this over top, and you can see how it transforms the color. And I also think these colors are really pretty together, and they're very moisturizing. So you can see as it starts to change there. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do my top lip. And it just seems like I want to cover what I'm doing today with that mirror, so I do apologize for that. I should have had that a little lower so you guys could see it better. But now you can really see how this whole look is come together and really transformed, and it's actually a really pretty look. It's probably one that I would wear out on a regular day as well. Okay, so that completes the entire look that I recreated in the lookbook here. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Is this something you would wear for your holiday parties? Do you enjoy these makeovers from the books? Give me a comment below and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an absolutely amazing day, and I will be back to bring you more videos real soon.